Today's City Beat poem is called Bate, Bate, Chocolate. Now, I'm sure some of you noticed that I'm not saying all those words in English. It is in Spanish, and it means stir, stir chocolate. Now, before I get started and before I say the poem for you, I'd like to show you my map of North America. So this is the continent of North America. The pink country right here is the United States, and we live right about here. So this is where Sioux City is roughly. And this poem comes from Mexico, which is right here, the yellow country right in here. Now, this poem is talking about stirring chocolate. Now, a traditional chocolate dish drink down in Mexico and even the United States, we do this too, is hot chocolate. I know I love to drink some hot chocolate when it's cold out. But it could also be referring to the traditional Mexican dish called mole. Now, mole is a dish that is prepared with lots of different ingredients, including peppers and chocolate, lots of different spices and seasonings and tomatoes. And it is traditionally eaten and covers some sort of type of meat, such as chicken, pork, or beef. And it is also oftentimes eaten with rice. Now, what this poem is saying, so the translation, which means instead of what the Spanish words mean in English, is stir, stir chocolate with rice and with tomato. 1, 2, 3, cho, 1, 2, 3, co, 1, 2, 3, la, 1, 2, 3, te. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Now, in the poem, we talk about chocolate, rice, and tomato, which makes people wonder if it's actually talking about the mole. In the middle, you're going to hear 1, 2, 3, cho. What happens is we break up the word chocolate the way it is said in Spanish, which is chocolate, and there are 4 different syllables in the word. So what we do is we say 1, 2, 3, and we say a syllable. 1, 2, 3, we say the next syllable until we get all the way through the word. All right, here we go. We are going to keep a steady beat today. If you want to go ahead and pause the video and find something to use as rhythm 6, you're more than welcome to. If you want to join me and just use your fingers as rhythm 6 today to keep your steady beat, that is fine too. Here I go. Bate, bate, chocolate con arroz y con tomate. 1, 2, 3, cho. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, la. 1, 2, 3, te. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Bate, bate, chocolate con arroz y con tomate. 1, 2, 3, yo. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, la. 1, 2, 3, te. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. 2 more times. Bate, bate, chocolate con arroz y con tomate. 1, 2, 3, yo. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, la. 1, 2, 3, te. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Last time. Here we go. Bate, bate, chocolate con arroz y con tomate. 1, 2, 3, yo. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, la. 1, 2, 3, te. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Now, some other ways that you can perform this poem at home would be to, if you have a jump rope, you could jump and keep the beat. Instead of keeping it with like this with your fingers or with rhythm sticks or pencils, you could jump the beat with a jump rope. You can also create your own hand clapping game. If you create your own hand clapping game, please share a video with me. That would be fun to see. If this is your first time seeing this video, all you're going to do today is listen and keep that steady beat. If this is your second or third time, I'd like to challenge you to try to take over parts of that poem and say them by yourself. And our goal by the end is that you're able to do the whole thing on your own.